Everybody wants to visit the Maldives. And yes, it is totally worth it. How do you get there? Well, taking a plane, obviously. Now that we got this out of the way, let us teach you how to find the best deals. The Maldives are located in the Indian Ocean, south of the shores of India. The distance is 8,700 miles from the US East Coast or 9,800 miles from the West Coast. The average trip will take a full day with a stopover or two, unless you catch a ride with the Virgin Galactic spaceship. The most common routes are via Europe and the Middle East. If planned well, you can add some nights during your stopover in Dubai or Paris, for example. Economy flights are available for around $1,000. The Maldives are really easy to go to. There are no travel restrictions. You will receive an on-arrival visa for everyone. It's one of the safest countries in the world, and you would be surprised how affordable it can be. Here is how you can find the best flights. Use a ticket search engine, such as Kiwi.com. This allows you to find the best deals from all airlines serving the desired destination. We put a link below so you can get started once we teach you how. Let's check two examples. New York and Los Angeles to the Maldives. Traveling during November, staying in the Maldives for 8 to 10 nights. It's quick and easy. Enter the departure and arrival airports and travel dates. Use additional filters such as number of passengers, desired seating, either economy or business class, and the number of checked-in bags to improve your search results. Hit the search button and let's go! You can select from the presented flights, or use the pricing table and filters to play around with the dates and rates. And that's it! 8 nights in the Maldives from New York via Abu Dhabi for under $800 USD. Now you only need to fill in your details and book the flight. Completely hassle-free, safe, and with great customer service. Depending on the season and time of booking, you can find even better deals. Check out our other videos about the Maldives. Learn all about the current COVID-19 measures, about your arrival, and how to get around the Maldives, or how to have a great experience for a fraction of the price. You can find the links in the description. Here's the other one. 9 nights in the Maldives from Los Angeles via Doha for under $1,000 USD. If you found this video helpful, please hit those subscribe and like buttons, as it helps out our channel tremendously. Thanks for watching. Stay safe and happy travels!